What's up, everybody? Today on TK Driven, we're just going to do a quick review of Meguiar's Ultimate Black. What's going on, everyone? So I've got this Ram 1500 I'm working on, and it has these front plastic bumpers that are like completely sun faded, and they look like somebody might have used an orbital polisher on them. Maybe see those strange S curves and scouring lines. So anyway, I've got a tape line here, and we're going to use the Meguiar's Ultimate Black and see what we get out of that. So you just take a little bit and squirt it on a clean microfiber. I've got this tape line here, and let's work on this right side here. You just rub it in. The bottle says it may take multiple applications if it's a neglected area, I think it says. You can hear some kids screaming outside there. Might have to detail some bicycles. And then turn to a clean side of the microfiber and give it a final wipe down. There we go. Alright, let's pull this tape off. Oh yeah, excellent. Check that out. Wow, that's pretty good results for just a simple wipe. I mean, you guys saw how long I wiped. Didn't wipe any time at all. Pretty impressive for just a simple product you can pick up at Walmart or Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description for you. Well, like I said, short video today. That's it for today. Thanks for checking it out, guys. I'm gonna go finish this other side. What's up, everybody? Today on TK Driven, we're just going to do a quick review of Meguiar's Ultimate Back to Black. What's up, everybody? Today on TK Driven, we're just going to do a quick review of Meguiar's Ultimate Black. Can't talk to save my life.